Hello friends, welcome to Smartphone Key channel. In this video, I will tell you how to solve hard Sudoku. As Sudoku puzzle level get harder, you will find the simple scanning method. Hard puzzles require deeper logic analysis which is done with the aid of pencil marks. Sudoku pencil marking is a systematic process writing small numbers inside the square to denote which one may fit in. After pencil marking the puzzle, the solver must analyze the results, identify special number combination and deduce which number should be placed. Where are some ways of using analyzing techniques? Part 1. Eliminating square using naked pair in a box. In this example, square C9 and C8 in box 7 can only contain 4 and 9 as shown with red pencil marks in this video. We don't know which is which, but we do know that both squares are occupied. In addition, square A6 excludes 6 from being in the left column of box 7. As a result, the 6 can only be in square B9. Such cases where the sum pair can only be placed in two boxes is called disjoint subsets, and if the disjoint subsets are easy to see, then they are called naked pairs. Part 2. Eliminating squares using naked pair in rows and columns. The previous solving technique is useful for deducing a number within a row or column instead of box. In this example, we see that square D9 and F9 in box 8 can only contain 2 and 7. Again, we don't know which is which, but we do know that both squares are occupied. The numbers which remain to be placed in row 9 are 1, 6 and 8. However, 6 cannot be placed square A9 or in square I9, so the only possible place is square C9. Part 3. Eliminating squares using hidden pairs in rows and columns. Disjoint subsets are not always obvious to see at first sight, in which case they are called hidden pairs. If we take a very close look at the pencil mark in row 7, we can see that both 1 and 4 can only be in square F7 and square G7. This means that 1 and 4 are hidden pair, and square F7 and square G7 cannot contain any other number. Using the scanning technique, we see that the 7 can only be in square D7. Part 4. Eliminating square using Xwing. The Xwing technique is used in rare situations which occur in some extremely difficult puzzles. Scanning column we see that 4 can only be in square A2 or square A9. Similarly, 4 can only be in square I2 or square I9 because of the Xwing pattern. Which boxes are in the same row or column, a logic constraint occurs. It is obvious that in row 2, the 4 can only be either in square A2 or in square I2, and it cannot be in any other square. Therefore, is excluded from square C2, and square C2 must be 2.